So are you up to words yet?
What?
Are you still shading?
I'm done with all of that. I'm just waiting for you.
Okay, so I need to go on to the last step, which is cut and paste words.
Yes.
Okay. So, let me find some words.
I wanted to use letters, I think, but I'm just like looking through all my junk. See if I can't find stuff because I have this one set of stickers that I kind of want to use, but I don't have all the letters I need.
Oh, I thought I had some Halloweeny stuff here. I'll get some of that stuff. Some more rub-ons. I love rub-ons. It's casual. I had some that were holiday.
That's too small.
I like those snarky ones.
I
I get sucked into reading them every time I pick them up. Those are metallics. These are, all right, I must not have the holiday ones up here. So I'll just roll with what I've got.
Good plan. Kind of what I'm doing.
I like, let's see, I need a, here we go.
Can you come in? It should be Hiram.
I'll be there in a second.
You need to go?
I don't know what he wants. He wants me to come do something.
Then you need to go do that.
All right. Well, we're almost done here.
We are. I'm just going to put a quote on mine and I'll be finished pretty much. So that's it for this week. We'll give you a final shot for image and we'll start again next week.
Yep. I'm going to color in these letters and stick them all the way down, but it just says remember. I'm being called away to my other job as a caretaker.
That's right. That's right. We got other jobs.
These will be colored in, and it says remember, because mine is about Dia de los Muertos. So, and final shots will be coming.
Right.
And I'm going to use Posca pins to color it. So we'll see you guys for the challenge next week.
Exactly.
Yep.
So this says, I don't know what your problem is, but I know it's not mine. So I think that's appropriate.
Yep.
All right, guys. Thanks for being here with us, and we'll see you next week with another channel or challenge channel. Bye.
Bye.